think we're good. Yeah, just let me know when you get in here, bruh. Damn, a new high for SPY. I'm so glad I didn't fucking trace. I'm so happy. Yes, sir. Right. I mean, why wouldn't it? Yeah, damn. He said, I don't even know. I don't know. I didn't listen. That shit looks so. I was gonna swing calls, but fuck that. All right, bruh. We live on YouTube. We good? Yeah. Yeah, we good. Yeah, we literally live, but why is my screen like cut off like that? Does that do anything? Not bad. Fuck it. You can hear yourself though? You can't? Maybe you gotta talk louder. You really can't hear yourself? No, it's not the phone, it's the computer. Disable the camera. Hey, well, just so you guys can know, just so if anybody is watching, we do have this Discord. We post trade setups, profits. We got workouts type shit. Hell yeah, y'all should lock in with us. Um, yeah, damn, look at this beauty on UPS though. Trend line. The best thing is I even got this tool for y'all. Mhm. Bounce, bounce, bounce. Terrible. This is a yearly. But look at this setup. Okay, look, ever since 2001, bro, we've had this trend. And look, we just touched it. I remember I told you last week at the Apple store, I was like, this shit is gonna bounce, bro. Look, we had a red fake out candle right on the trend line. It's kind of hard to see, but like it's right on my white trend line. And literally, look at that. We reacted. Well, that doesn't matter. We're short-term traders. Got this gap right here. It's in balance. But honestly, I feel like UPS, like this is a bullish candle right here, bro. I feel like this shit might touch like a hundo, 103. Shit, we got gaps this way and gaps this way, both imbalances. This is a good setup. I like this. I feel like it might retrace actually, just to kind of form this cup and handle. Shit, what's oh bruh, Nvidia, bro. What the they're worth 5 trillion, bro. 5 trillion. Look at that. Look at that. That looks insane. Oh, for real? How do I share my screen? Oh, you like this? Entire screen. I, Vladimiro, the famous Vladimiro. But yeah, bruh, this is crazy. Consolidation, beautiful consolidation, and then we have the breakout. But is this a fake out? Is the real question, which I'll think. So you would be looking for this, and then this, and then this. You would, why would you not expect consolidation? But if you were taking I just asked you, what would the trade setup be? And you said you would buy it on the first touch and you wouldn't wait for consolidation. Bruh. Uh, because there was before. Like, I don't know, if you look at the stock, like this is consolidation and then breakout. You see how it happens? It's not exactly like perfectly sideways, but like this consolidation, breakout, consolidate, boom, that was a fast one. Consolidate, consolidate, distribute, consolidate, and then it's just been rallying, consolidate. No, I can't. I can't. Okay, bruh, I've recently discovered this setup again. I totally forgot about this. Look at this. This is clean. This is a clean breakout. Neo, bro. And look where it bounced off of too. Hard to see, but it's a previous support. But I don't know. Like this was just at $4. So double your money if you would have bought where I had my zone, and I was just watching this. But the only reason I don't like really mess with like Neo and stock like that is because they're from China. Like no disrespect, but like they're it's like more volatile, and I feel like the news is more affected on Chinese stocks. But yeah, this is a good setup, bro. Uh, Let me go back. Today we had 42 million. Yeah, 42 million today. You see right here. And that was a low average. Look at like one of the high days. 237 million. I just want to take the time to say I do. Because look at this, bro. Look at the monthly. The big charts never lie. Sure, say what you want about Beyond. But bro, this stock is beaten down. Like look at this. It's beaten down. But look at this is the first month. Look at how much look at how many buyers and sellers came into the market during this month. More than basically ever. Do you see all these little tiny candles down here? Like, what does this say? What does it say about this? Like, you have to look into things like this. Like, we reacted to 50 cents, obviously. The only is just, no, that was the most. Look at this week, most we've ever had. You see that? But, I mean, we obviously, we still close inside my trend line, is what I'm trying to say. So I don't know. Beyond is still going to continue to chop until I believe it'll probably break out to this next trend line. But also the thing with Beyond, okay, look at this. Check this out. Okay, right? Big ass candle, right? You see the size of the wick? The characteristics of Beyond, look at this. It does that a lot. It squeezes, it pumps. It's not even a word. Just big wicks. Big liquidity grabs. I think it was on the daily. I was looking at it earlier. Yeah, look at all this. It gaps up, grabs, gaps up, grabs, gaps up, or that's not a gap up. Here a gap up, a gap down, but just huge wicks. Yeah, of course. I've made money on like every stock, but I've also lost money on every stock I've traded. No, options on everything, bro. I got, actually, I got an idea. Hopefully, hopefully my folders full of dirty things don't open up right now. This might be better for actually like charting and finding stocks, to be honest with you. We can look at the top movers from today. Yeah, if you guys didn't know, Finviz is a great website for actually finding good setups, and I guess I could teach you guys how to use it real quick. Basically go to your screener over here, and then you can type in your designated, like if you want Chinese stocks, you obviously go China. If you want industry, oh, I want only aluminum stocks. Sector, oh, I want, blah, blah, blah. You can get as specific as you want. But For today, I think we just want to go to maps. Let's see, bro. The overview of the market, because we got earnings tomorrow, bro. You know, for the biggest companies, Apple and yeah, Amazon. I think for course tomorrow. Yeah, Apple just hit a new high today, bro. I just seen it. Let's check out. No, I actually like Finviz because all this technical analysis, like the 50 moving. No, it's free. It's free. Eh. Apple, I don't see nothing wrong with Apple. That shit looks trending still to the Apple. Got any stocks, bro? Or should I give you the screen? I'll probably give you the screen to be honest. Let me just close all my shit out so it runs better. We still can't hear you. We still can't hear you in the YouTube. We ain't never getting nothing done. For real? Damn. Well, give it access. Password to what? YouTube or Discord? Oh my gosh, bro. Why don't you write your shit down, bro? What do you mean? Alright, bet. Oh shit, I just realized I gotta sign back in the TOS. You motherfucker. Now I'm gonna just. Yeah, it's true. Oh, or even trading view, to be honest. We're about to make type of content that like people fall asleep to. Should we try to make videos like that? You know how like you fall asleep to YouTube sometimes and it's like you wake up and shit like this is playing? Alright, give me a stock. No mames. You fuck with Rivian? What the 6'7"? Wars? How do you make a box? No? I um, Simone, bruh. What am I sharing? What do you mean? On Discord? Why are they always the worst colors, bro? Why are these candles here like this? How do you turn off these candles? Wanna There we go. Well, it's kind of annoying. Alright, bro. This is Rivian. That's the only bias you need. Yeah, I was actually figuring out how to fix that. Here, let me see if this works. Okay, see? Did that change anything? Oh, I know. Okay, bruh. think I'm slow. Okay, bro, check. Yeah, bro, look, my Mac was just fully charged like 15 minutes ago. Yeah, see, I fixed it. I'm so fucking smart, dude. So this, hey, quiet, quiet it up. All right, bro, this is my analysis on Rivian. This chart is booty, but I think Rivian's gonna go up. But it's only because I have a uh, bias. Oh, bro. See, this is what I do. I start on the monthly, and then I go down to the daily, and then I say, oh, does this make sense? Yeah, because Rivian, we just rejected the top of this trend line, but we're also creating this U shape. So my bias is we probably go down, or we could hit the trend line again before going down. But I feel like we have more consolidation to do on Rivian. Unless maybe we get a huge catalyst. What gap? This one? Yeah, I guess. I guess. Yeah, but Rivian, I wouldn't really touch this yet. It's just consolidating, like on a big picture. Like it's just consolidating. But when this does break out, bro, it's gonna be huge because, obviously Rivian it's been consolidating for like 2 years now. See all this? All this consolidation. It IPO'd, dropped. What was it about? Okay, look, quick math. It's valued at like 10 billion right now. If it IPO'd at like I think it was IPO'd at like what $170, what would its value have been at? 13. It would have been like almost 20 times its value. It's crazy. But yeah, I mean like when Rivian IPO'd, it's worth 10 billion right now and the stock price is at almost $14. But when it IPO'd, how much was Rivian valued at, is what I'm trying to ask. I don't know. I don't remember. Lou said the same shit. I wouldn't touch this crap with a pole. Tesla. Dang, looking crazy. Look at this consolidation by Tesla, bruh, and then just You like Tesla? Yeah, I wouldn't put this basically. Yes, because look at this setup. Look, people thought that was going to be a top, right? Everybody shorted it, went down, but then it hit the trend line, and now it's immediately reversing. I think that this is going to go a lot higher, like a lot higher. Like, because look, you got to think about this. Like, think about this. This is a base. This is supply, or right? Supply. So when we get a breakout from supply, it's gonna be really strong. Like Tesla could literally go like 600, and then before like it maybe consolidates, and then it'll pull back eventually. I don't know what the hell happened, but we're following the trend line. Should we should we bet on Tesla for the end of the all-time highs? 500 calls? I'm on it. It's just delayed. Yeah, the yearly looking crazy bullish.